what's up to my favorite bunch of beauties? Welcome back to the channel. This video is just going to be a quick update video. If you don't know, I did have a knee replacement surgery on December the 3rd. So now I am about 11 days out as of the day I am recording this video. The surgery went well. The surgery went excellent. It only lasted like an hour and a half. The doctor did say my knee was in terrible condition, which I already knew. Before he did the surgery, I did have a little bit of bowing in my leg because of the knee. This knee has been through it. FYI, this knee has been through it. So he was able to correct that and decide that he, I guess, corrected. That is where most of my pain is. I do have my leg sort of propped up on my foot propped up on a stool up under my desk, so the leg is elevated. I do have this interesting I don't have, and I'll take a picture of it. I'm trying to pull it up. I don't have incisions. I'll post a picture of it like up here somewhere. I have what they call zip ties. So that is how my incision is closed. So it's pretty much just sort of taking the zip ties off that are like secured with medical grade quote unquote tape, for lack of a better word. The incision looks really good. It looks like it's healing well. The pain is incredible. I am not going to lie. The pain is incredible. They did a good job in the hospital of keeping my pain controlled. At home, not so much. So they did give me oxycodone, which I have never had a procedure or a surgery where I actually used up all of the narcotic that they gave me. I used it all. I am not going to ask for any more. I am going to be doing Motrin, Tylenol, and using the rest of the gabapentin that they gave me, which is supposed to be for nerve pain. Sometimes the pain is tolerable. Most of the times at night is when it gets really bad. So I try to take like a combo of Motrin and Tylenol along with my last gabapentin close to the time that it's time for me to go to bed. That gets me through the night. Also, I have a prescription for trazodone that I took for the first time last night, which was Friday night. That helped me sleep through the night. I won't say I didn't wake up sometimes and have to reposition myself because of the pain I was having, but I did get a better night's sleep last night. As far as walking, I do have a walker. You can probably kind of see it sort of right here. I also have a cane. I am trying to graduate from the walker to the cane. My physical therapist did ask me to buy the cane. It was cheap. It was like $10.99 on Amazon. And it is Medline, so a well-known medical brand. But she did say she wants to sort of graduate me from the walker to the cane, which when I got that cane, I took it out of the box and I started, because that walker is cumbersome. It was really helpful in the beginning because I was putting most of my weight on it and not on the leg where the knee was replaced, which is the right leg, by the way. Yeah, but I am walking around. I am going up and down the stairs. Sometimes, like today, I have not been up and down the stairs. My husband has been, he brought me breakfast, he bought me lunch. Everything else I did up here on the bedroom level of the house. But I am able to go up and down the stairs slowly. I think for the most part that is an update as to what is going on with me so far. I have spent a good amount of time, which is why I haven't been on here much, trying to get myself mentally and physically ready for this procedure. Lots of appointments, all those good things. But now that I am home, and I do know that I am able to sit up. Well, I've been here in this room pretty much all day today. This was the first day that I was able to actually sit at my desk and my leg not feel like it's going numb. And without my leg feeling like it's swelling. So now that I know that I can sit in here, I will be able to do more videos. I have no new makeup to show you, but I do have old makeup. So we can do looks and we can do different things. But yeah, I will be able to get in here and do more videos. Just wanted to come in here really quick and let you all know that I am still alive. I am still the owner of this Beauty Over Age channel. Also wanted to say, I'm not going to say it because I think I'm probably going to do more videos, but yeah. And also I do have, as far as Beauty Over Age is concerned, the beautyoverage.store, I do have like a few Christmas soaps that are available for sale, along with the other products that I have. So if you all want to support a small business and buy a Christmas gift for one of your loved ones or or yourself from me, please do so. There are also some other definite plans for the channel. If you go on my website, like I said, beautyoverage.store, you will be able to go into the menu and see what those plans are. I kind of hinted that something was going to be happening. Let me make sure I did this right. Let's go back to my main page. My main page, you will be able to see like the new soaps that I have available, along with other items. Some items are going to be taken off of the site, like the candles by the burlap bag, because they are not selling at all. Trial and error, they are not. But yeah, you can see on my, and I feel like I'm talking in slow motion, but I'm looking at my website at the same time. But you can see on the website things that are going to be happening on this channel. I mean on the website as well. So yeah, thank you all so much for hanging in there with me. If you have hung in there with me, I really appreciate it. I will be back soon with some makeup content because I feel like I need to do it as a sense of normalcy. Nothing feels normal for me right now. I did do some little press on nails though, just to get myself in the Christmas spirit. Let's see. Yeah, that way the Christmas tree is upside right. So we have candy canes, Christmas lights, a Christmas tree, and just a polka dot red nail. But I thought these were really cute and festive. And they make me feel like I'm doing a little bit of self-care. Anyway, I am rambling. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.